Long Game only lets you cash out after your rewards or winnings are fully cleared inside the app. That means your balance can look ready before it actually is. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how to cash out on Long Game, what steps matter most, and what can slow the process down. Here's the direct answer. Open the app, check your available balance, choose your withdrawal option, verify your account, and submit the cash out request. That's the full process. Start by checking your balance. This is important. Long Game separates pending rewards from available funds. Only available funds can be withdrawn. If your balance is still processing, you'll have to wait. That's the first thing to check. Next, open the cash out section. This is usually inside your wallet or rewards tab. That's where Long Game shows your withdrawal options. Depending on your account setup, this could include bank transfer or gift card options. Your available methods depend on your region and verification status. Now pick your payout method. Choose the option that works best for you. If you're withdrawing to your bank, make sure your bank details are correct. A wrong account number can delay everything. Double check before confirming. That saves time. After that, verify your account. Long Game may ask for identity confirmation or email verification before releasing funds. This is normal. It protects the account. If you skip this, your withdrawal may stay pending. That's where a lot of users get stuck. Once verified, submit the withdrawal. Now the app reviews the request. This step takes time because Long Game checks for account activity, fraud flags, and reward eligibility. That's part of the payout process. Watch your notifications. Long Game usually updates you inside the app or through email. That's where you'll see approval delays or failed withdrawals. One mistake to avoid is cashing out with unfinished bonus requirements. Some rewards need full completion before becoming withdrawable. Check that first. Quick recap. Check your available balance. Open the Cash Out tab. Pick your payout method. Verify your account details. Submit and watch for updates. Practical next step. Open Long Game right now and check whether your current balance is marked available or still pending. If this saved you time, hit like and subscribe for more reward app guides.